Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Talking with Ed. How you guys doing? Long time no see, right? I haven't done a video on me talking like this for a long time. So, but hey, race is over. I'm free now for a while. Little stuff here and there at the speedway, but race is over. Done with the season. Now back home, and happy Veterans Day for all you guys. So, hopefully you guys are enjoying your day. And like I always say, Veterans Day should be every day, but hey, that's me. But thank you guys for all the wishes and all the salutes that you guys gave me this today. And yeah, I'm enjoying myself a little bit time free, right? And I got an unboxing. This is a Veterans Day unboxing. So I went to the outlets. I always say to the people, if you can wait to get one of these up here, wait, because you will find it cheaper later on. And I think this one that I got, I went with my son Ethan. We went to a food exhibition, of food trucks exhibition with a bunch of food trucks there, and didn't take that much video. It was people and music, so you know how YouTube is. I can't put music on because I get demonetized or blocked. But we walk around, we ate, here and there. We walk around to the outlet in Daytona, and always stop at the Nike store, so make sure they have any deals, any stuff that. And I didn't see this one, but my son did. It's weird. He's getting into a sneaker thing, and he said, "Hey, Dad, look at this. You got some gold sneakers," because he saw I got some silver sneakers right here, silver ones. So he said, "You need to go to the gold one." I'm looking at them like, "Oh no, I got just no money." And when I look at it, like, wait a second, those ones are those prices? And I get my military discount, of course, in Nike. So if you're a veteran, you have your veteran card, you get taking 10% to 15% off any Nike outlet or any Nike store. And plus I had another $15 coupon that I didn't use on my birthday. So I said, let me check it out. So here it is, the Nike outlet, and let me stick it right here right now. And it's a Jordan 1, and it's a gold, he said a gold one, but because that's why he said I got a silver shoes here. Now he said you need a gold one, and then he said I need a diamond one. So, okay, that's not gonna happen. But this is him. He saw that first, and I did. I was walking around, and he just pulled me over. So look at this, Dad. So let's check it out together. Let's do the thumbnail. Okay, there you go. And let's check it out. And I took it out, and look at this right here. Oh, at the outlet. So, and it's pretty cool. And I like this one. It has a golden Jordan right here, as you see it right there. And it's pretty cool. And I mean, I liked it. I mean, it's very nice, and I like the color though, gold and black. So check both of them out. And they're still in the outlet. There was not much sizes, but I found my size. So there it is, both of them. I think they call it the gum bottom. They're very nice though, very nice. I think Siloco and Superfly has them, so they might have a detail on each one of them. But I'm gonna say this, guys, I do like him, and I do use all the shoes, like you know this. So on Veterans Day, I use my Cherry 11s. They're way up there. I did use them today. I dressed up with a red shirt, not this one, but another red shirt, jeans, and then my Cherry 11s. But yeah, I like it. I like the golden Jordan right here. I don't know if I take it out or not, but I might take it out. It just looks weird walking around with this dangling around. So, but yeah, guys, I say, hold on, wait out if you don't have that, because eventually most of the time, I think maybe 60%, all the sneakers go to the outlet, and they're really cheap. So these was it was in the outlet, so I got them way before retail. I mean, low. I think I paid like $50, something like that, with all my discounts. So if you can find a Jordan 1 for $50, yes, get it. I'm not joking, get it. But yeah, like I said, I had a veterans discount. I think it was 15%. Plus, I had a $15 coupon from my I didn't use on my birthday in April, so I had until December to use it. So that helps a lot. This was on sale for $99, and for all the discount, 15%, it was like $50 something. So that's a steal. So happy Veterans Day for me. So I got these ones. So thanks to my son Ethan for finding these, because I was just walking around just singing time so we can go back home. But he enjoyed it. He walked around and he said, "You gotta get him, Dad. You gotta get him. You got the silver one. Now you need the gold one." So he is insisting I want to get the diamond one. I don't think there's no diamond Jordan out there. Maybe, I mean, Shoe Loco, Superfly, they know we have the diamond shoe, but he's insisting he want me to get that one. But now I got these one. So this is happy Veterans Day for me. And it's super cheap, super for the low. So if you're in the outlets in your whatever city you are, go check them out. I think they're still out there. So there were not much here in Daytona, but I found my size. It was a one of each side. So I have big feet, so I found it. So, well, guys, this is a short video. Thank you very much for coming out and supporting my channel. I got a lot of from Bike Week, a lot of stuff, and hey, we're gonna do a lot of stuff this is 2 months. I'm off, and I might do a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do it live now and a couple interviews now, and yeah, and trying to do a lot of stuff I can do. So, thanks very much, guys. Are you team happy? Thank you very much, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and actually in on TikTok and Instagram. So check out there. I'm always posting shorts there on Instagram and TikTok. So go there, and doing pretty good up there. Over 3,000 on TikTok, over 2,000 on Instagram. So hey, and we are on the road for 15,000 here on YouTube. So thank you guys for watching and supporting this channel a lot. Haven't been live, but because you guys know I've been on the road a lot but we off now for the season. We're here at home, and we're gonna do a lot of videos coming up this week. So stay tuned, guys. More videos coming up. I got more unboxing coming up for this this week and next week, and let's see what Black Friday comes in. So stay tuned for that video too. So thank you, guys. Appreciate it very much. And remember, you only got one life. Enjoy Gym X, and always believe in yourself. I see you.